Yes, hello, welcome back to Learn and Share with me, Faraj. Thank you for following, and don't forget to subscribe as usual. Today I have something amazing for you. I'm going to show you the best PDF editor, and that is none other than Wondershare PDFelement. It's a very handy and amazing tool to use. You can edit your PDFs. You can convert PDFs to any file format of your choice, for example Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image, and many more. You can also perform OCR, optical character recognition, on PDFs, that is for scanned documents. You can turn them into searchable text or even editable text. Then you can of course do e-signing as well. If you want to combine some PDFs, you can combine multiple PDFs into single files. You can do batch converting, creating, printing, and so many more. Another amazing tool that it has is that you can compress PDF files without actually even losing the quality of your PDF. Have you tried uploading your PDF document in a platform and they require a specific size, let's say 2 MBs, and then your file is about a GB, but with PDFelement you can compress it to the smallest size possible without even losing the quality of your PDF. Of course, you can compare PDF files, differences between two files. We shall look at all these in detail. If you want to do some work and you don't want to start from scratch, it also has amazing templates that you can use. All right, without taking much of your time, let's get into the practical bit of it. I'm going to open one of my PDF files here. Let me go to open. That's the file. Alright, this is just the simple PDF file describing my channel, Learn and Share. Yes, as you can see, this is now the dashboard, the interface of Wondershare PDFelement. When you see up here, this is the home button, the home tab. Under you can highlight text, for example, choose a color if you want. Let's say you're reading green, yellow, whatever color you want. You can highlight text like that. Or if you want to add a shape to your PDF, you can add shapes from here. Rectangle, an arrow, anything of your choice. All right, so if you want to edit, let's say this PDF right now, it's not editable, it's not showing any editable means, so you come over here and say edit all. Now you will be able to edit anything on your PDF. You can add words, you can add anything to your PDF. Of course, there's a text box here. If you want to add a specific text somewhere, you can also click and add text. Okay, there is the OCR tab. You can crop. This is under the home tab. When you go to the edit tab, there are also a variety of features. You can add image. We've looked at this. You can add an image. You can add a link. You can add the background, watermark, header, and the footer. Okay. Now briefly, let's look at the conversion bit of it. When you click on convert, we can easily convert this PDF document to a Word document, to Excel file. That is, if maybe you've got some numbers and you want to transfer it into Excel, to PowerPoint if you want to transfer it, to convert into an image, to text, you can see there are so many files, formats here that you can use, that you can easily convert your PDFs into, depending on what you want. Alright, there are so many other features, but we shall be exploring them slowly by slowly, one by one. Okay, there you go. When you want to compress this file, let us try to compress this file, and then we go in details in the next video. Alright, if you want to compress a file, click on tools, and then you go to compress. Of course, it's going to ask me to save this operation. Let me save the work before it converts. So now the file size is 695 KB. So if you want a high compression, it's your choice. You can choose, or a medium compression, or a low. I'm going to go with medium compression. Still, it will be okay, and I won't lose my the quality as well. Alright, let us start with high. Okay, you apply. As you can see, the document has been successfully compressed, and let's check the file size that we have right now. Has been compressed to 500 KBs. Alright, if you've enjoyed the video, if you need to know more about the features of Wondershare PDFelement, please don't hesitate to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and share with a colleague. Like the channel says, learn and share with others. Knowledge is power. Thank you for following, and see you next time.